letter S. Let's hear my story.
Saya the little snake woke up early. The sun was shining on the grass.
What a sunny day!
Sia slithered happily, making shiny S shapes in the grass.
That was so much fun! I hope you liked my story. Bye-bye, everyone! See you next time! Hello, everyone! I'm the letter T. Let's hear my story.
Toto the turtle walked slowly on the path. A friendly tiger came and asked,
Do you need help, Toto?
Yes, please. I'm slow today.
Tiger gently picked Toto up and put him on his back. Together, they reached home happily.
That was so much fun! I hope you liked my story. Bye-bye, everyone! See you next time!